to Alifaalim's vlog. In this video, we are going to discuss about two great personalities, and they are Bhagat Singh and Florence Nightingale. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the courageous freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. His birth was in 28 September 1907 and his death was in 23rd March 1931. Bhagat Singh was a revolutionary and sacrificed his life for the nation. He organized the Hinduist Socialist Republic Association in 1928. He was arrested for throwing bomb towards the Central Legislative Assembly when the members were assembled. For that crime, he was hanged in 23rd March 1931. We got a few information of Bhagat Singh and his life. Next is about Florence Nightingale. Her birth was in 12th May 1820 and her death was in 13th August 1910. Florence Nightingale, who came to be known as the Lady with the Lamp, was a pioneer of modern nursing, a writer and a noted statistician. Her lasting contribution has been her role in founding the modern nursing profession. She set a shining example for nurses everywhere of compassion, committed to patient care, and diligent and thoughtful hospital administration. International Nurses Day is celebrated on her birthday each year. Florence Nightingale is the most came during the Crimean War, which became her central focus when reports began to filter back to Britain about the horrific condition of the wounded. Began by cleaning the hospital and equipment and recognizing the patient. Nightingale believed the high death rates in the hospital were due to poor nutrition and overworking of the soldier. Consequently, she reduced the death in the army during peacetime and turned attention to the sanitary designs of hospitals. Friends, this is all over for today's video. Thank you. For this type of video, please subscribe my channel and share the video.